Hello everyone, in this video we'll solve this word problem based on the concept of Pythagorean theorem. As per the word problem, a rectangular cardboard measures 21 centimeter by 30 centimeter and we have to find the length of its diagonal. So the first step here is to draw a diagram for this problem. Now since the problem is about a rectangular cardboard, so we should draw a rectangle. So this can be our rectangular cardboard. Now we are given that this cardboard measures 21 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So we can label the longer side of this rectangle as 30 centimeter and its shorter side as 21 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the length of its diagonal. Now diagonal is a line that joins a corner of a rectangle to its opposite corner. So it starts at one of the corners of the rectangle and goes all the way to the opposite corner. Now we could have drawn the diagonal the other way as well. From this corner to this corner, we'll get the same answer because in a rectangle, opposite sides have equal length. So this is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. So we have to find the length of this diagonal and we can label that as x. So we have to solve for x. We know that in a rectangle, all corner angles are right angles. So that means this triangle here that we have is a right angle triangle. And in this right angle triangle, we know two side lengths and we have to find the length of the third side. So that means we can use Pythagorean theorem to find the length of the diagonal. So we'll start by writing the equation of the Pythagorean theorem. So the equation is a square plus b square is equal to c square. Now in this equation, c always represents the length of the hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is always the longest side in the right angle triangle, or it is the side length that is opposite to the right angle. So in this case, side length x is opposite to the right angle. So in this case, c has to be the x value. So in the next step, we can replace c with x. And a and b are the other two side lengths in the right angle triangle. So either of them can be a and the other one will be b. So in this case, we can assume a is 30 square and then b will automatically become 21. So this is the step we get by subbing in the values of a and b. So now we just have to solve this equation to find the value of x. So first we'll evaluate the square terms. So 30 square is equal to 900 and then 21 square is equal to 441 equals x square. Now we can add these two numbers. So I get 1341 equals x square. We can solve for x by applying square root to both sides. So when we apply square root, the square root and the square cancel each other out. So we are left with square root of 1341 equals x. So this can be our final answer for the length of x. Now if we want to find the decimal value for the value of x, we can evaluate square root of 1341 in our calculator and I got x equals 36.62. So this can be our final answer in decimal form. Now since it's a word problem, it's a good idea to write a closing statement with the appropriate unit. That the length of the diagonal is 36.62 centimeter. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.